In this first course, you'll be taking a look at Adobe InDesign, editing templates that are supplied with the course. We have 3 front covers of the Guardian newspaper, and you'll be using the supplied copy and images to complete these designs. This should provide a really good sense of how InDesign works and how you can perform simple tasks inside of the application to create your own newspapers for semester 1. Once completed, those newspaper designs will look like this. You'll then move on to magazine design. We have a couple of example projects, the first of which is this one here, Total Film. Working through each layout, you'll look at techniques such as sampling from prominent colours in photographs and applying that to the content you've made inside of InDesign, such as text and shapes, to get synergy in your layouts. Finally, we'll move on to 2 cover designs for Elle magazine, where again the focus is on colour, sampling from the images, or using an online resource such as Adobe Colour, where we can create colour harmonies. So now you know what you're letting yourselves in for. Let's get started.